Good morning. I hope you had a good spring break. We're going to do a Wilson lesson. These are going to be nonsense words, so I'm just kind of warning you. First one. All right, let's tap it out. Quap, quap. All right, if, dith. And it has a digraph. So we have to underline the digraph. G-a-d, gad. Fez, fez. It has a digraph, so we're going to put a line under it. Oops, too far. There we go. Lod, lod. Gum. Chep. It has a digraph, so we're going to put a line under it. And the last one. Wib. Right, so that's all we're going to do for today. You need to go to under the assignments when I call you so you can read your list of words, and then you have a writing assignment about your spring break. So go make sure you look at that assignment as well. I'll talk to you later. Bye.